Hundreds of thousands of vehicles are stolen each year throughout the United States. To help protect your ride, we're happy to announce that we now offer the Phantom Shield anti-theft immobilizer system for both the Can-Am Ryker and Spyder lineup. The Phantom Immobilizer is a plug-and-play device that intercepts the signal going to the fuel pump. Once installed, the immobilizer automatically arms every time the ignition is turned off. If you try to start the bike without the key fob, the bike will not start. In order to start the bike, you'll need to turn on the ignition, then press the unlock button on the included key fob to disarm the immobilizer so that you can start the engine. If someone tries to steal your vehicle while the engine is already running, the key fob has an approximate 200-foot range. If the lock button on the key fob is pressed within that range, the signal to the fuel pump will be intercepted and the bike will sputter out. Each immobilizer includes one key fob that's pre-paired to your device. If you lose your key fob or would like to add additional key fobs, the RF receiver is programmable, allowing you to pair several remotes to the same immobilizer. This is great for those of you that have multiple people that ride the same bike, so that you can each have your own key fob. If installing a plug-and-play anti-theft device seems right for you, head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike, and feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.